Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about can you change the position of the clock on iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Safari here, and you have an iPhone. And it looks like this when you lock the screen depending on which background you have. And you might be wondering, can you move that clock from that very top? Can you move it down to the bottom or anything like that? iPhone and Apple gives you some ability to control which notifications show up on the lock screen and all that stuff. But they do not allow you to change the position or look and feel of that clock. So if you jailbreak your phone, then you can change that look and feel of the clock. But having iOS and the Apple operating system on your iPhone, it will have that phone number or the clock at the bottom top and that date under it. That is just standard and you cannot change that. Of course, if you scroll down, you can set notifications and previews for various apps to show up on your phone. But if you have a background that just clashes with where that clock is, for instance, you just have to live with it or choose a different background or move it to lower in the screen so that you can see it better. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.